Hello everybody and welcome back to Syracuse Aviation. Before we get started, make sure you guys like this video and subscribe to the channel for more content. So today I have another model aircraft unboxing at college. This is the largest unboxing I've done here yet, or well, I'm about to do it, but at any rate, it's only one more than the last actual unboxing, but that's still something. Very excited for what is in here. You guys probably saw in the thumbnail, so you'll see what I'm talking about. Let's get that invoice out of there. Some very cool models in here today. We have another, oh my gosh, another Aviation 400 787-10, this time for KLM. So I had the Vietnam one last time, and I had since brought that one home for fall break, so that's where it is now. So I'll probably bring this one back for Thanksgiving. Triple Crown 1. I've been so excited for this. Sounds good. So, and then the JetBlue A320 in the high-rise livery by Altitude Models. So now that we have these unboxed, let's go ahead and take a look. So I'm going to get started with the high-rise, I think. So here we go. Really just trying to fleet build. Oh yeah, the stand, I forgot. Oh no, it's not a stand. Which one had a stand? That was Aviation 400, but I thought there was another one. But it comes with this tag, which is super cool. The mint livery. That's awesome. That is so cool. I don't think I remember seeing that, so that's absolutely incredible that they included that. But what was I saying? I'm trying to fleet build and get some more JetBlue aircraft, because what I want to do at some point eventually is just have a huge fictional Florida airport based out of Fort Pierce along the Treasure Coast, if you know where that is. That's one of my favorite places in the world. I've just been going there for years, and I love it. I have family down there and everything, so I've gotten to know the area a lot. So I thought it'd be really cool just to have a huge airport down there. So that's kind of what I'm going for, but obviously I can still use all these planes at other airports as well. So maybe I'll do a Fort Pierce update when I get home for break. But yeah, this is pretty much the same thing as the United 320, which I just unboxed, well, a few weeks ago I should say, but just outstanding quality. Oh my goodness, guys. Just everything from the color. Well, the color may be a little bit dark, maybe not, I don't know. I don't really have anything to compare it to, but it just looks really good. There's nothing broken. As you saw, I just pulled on everything and everything's good. I think I missed the stabilizers. But yeah, all the gears roll. Everything is super nice. It's pretty gosh darn symmetrical from the nose to the tail and everything in between. So super pleased with Altitude Models. Hopefully they do some Allegiant or whatever else we need. Frontier would be just incredible if we could get some more Frontiers. But that's looking really nice. I'm so excited to have that. Yeah, they're being repainted, but I think the high-rise are supposed to last for a couple more years at least, so I'll get some use out of it. Triple Crown 1 next from NG rather. Here is your card, as per usual. So I still haven't redeemed anything yet. Haven't decided when I want to do that, but I have a pretty good stack of things. And then you have this little slip, as we saw in, I think it was California 1. So that's pretty cool. Looks really nice. I'm just hoping the splits aren't bent. I don't think they are from the initial glance, but a lot of people have had issues, myself included, in the past with split scimitars from NG coming bent. Oh, yep, of course. Of freaking course. Like, how does that even happen, dude? I don't understand, guys. It's so annoying. Last time that happened, I had to bend it back and it literally broke off, and I just pay another $45 for a replacement. That was on New Mexico 1. I'll actually put a card in the video for you guys to watch, because that was irritating as all heck. But I think the key is you just have to bend it really slowly, or like I think I watched a video once where if you have like a rubber mallet, you can slowly just like tap it, and it'll slowly go back into place without breaking or anything. Everything else is good on this plane though, so that's nice. You know, there's no paint chipping. I guess that could change when I go to fix the split. Hopefully it doesn't. But the color is really nice. Overall, it's good, but NG, come on. You've struggled with the splits for as long as you guys have had splits. It's been an issue. I've had it multiple times. I think even a little bit on my Delta 739s it was an issue, so not nice. Fix it, please, because that's so incredibly obnoxious. But the grand finale, this one shouldn't have any issues. If you guys saw the Air France unboxing, that was definitely just an anomaly. It shouldn't happen with this one, at least I hope not. But here we go. Ooh, baby. Wow. Love the blue. Oh, this thing's a beast, guys. Holy cow. Oh my goodness. Perfect. Wow. Oh my goodness gracious. Aviation 400. Oh my gosh. They kill it, guys, every time. For the most part, they knock it out of the park. This is so good. So I'm gonna go ahead and we'll put the gear in. Give me a sec. I'm not gonna mess with the gear up configuration yet. I'll probably do that in the review, but this is just like the unboxing portion of this video because usually my unboxings tend to take a lot longer just because I do a lot more raw initial reactions, and that's something that I like to have separated from the actual review, so I typically don't like to merge them into one. Don't have anything against it, I just prefer not to. So at any rate, here is the nose gear. We're going to pop that into place. Nice and snug. Oh, the height on that's really good too. I think my Air France may be slightly low, but I think the height on this is really nice. And the main gears, which tilt nicely. Pop these into place, just like that. Whew. Golly. I mean, this is... Oh my gosh. Yeah, I'm gonna have to make this work at Fort Pierce as well. All of these I can use. It's a fictional airport, so I can do whatever I want. But yeah, guys, these are just so pretty. These are all super nice. So we're gonna do a nice little setup here, because why not? Perfect amount of space. Let's get these all into place. So I definitely recommend getting these. Just, you know, beware of the situation with the splits on NG. They still haven't fixed them. They've seen my stories on Instagram about that. I've had it up there a couple times, and still nothing's been done yet. So it's not so much the fact that it's bent, it's the fact that sometimes you can try to bend it back and you can crack the paint, and that's not good for perfectionists like myself. So overall, again, it's really nice. You just have to, you know, take that into consideration. Hope that it doesn't happen to yours, but it happened to mine, so there it is. But definitely Altitude Models JetBlue A320, amazing plane. The same, pretty much an identical copy of the United Evo Blue 320 that I got a couple weeks ago from them. Just sturdy, nice, precise, really good quality. Nice livery on Triple Crown, and obviously the beautiful beast of a 7810 from Aviation 400. They never fail to impress. Aviation 400, just an amazing company. In the innovation, the quality, detail, everything in between, they always just do a super nice job. So definitely recommend all of these. Hope you guys enjoyed today's unboxing. If you did, please consider liking the video and subscribing to the channel. If you have any questions or comments, go ahead and leave me a comment below. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next one.